Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check messages on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Steam app on your computer and log in using your credentials. This will bring you to the main Steam interface where you can access all of your gaming features and social functions. Once you're logged in and the app has fully loaded, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the Steam window. You'll notice an option labeled Friends and Chat. Go ahead and click on this button. This is your central hub for all communication on Steam, where you can view your friends list, ongoing conversations, and group chats all in one convenient place. After clicking Friends and Chat, a panel will appear showing all of your Steam contacts and recent conversations. Now, to check messages with a specific friend, simply locate their name in the list. Once you've found the person you want to view messages from, double-click on their name. This will open up your entire conversation history with that friend, allowing you to read through your past messages, see any new ones they've sent, and continue your conversation right from where you left off. Now, if you're also part of any group chats on Steam, you have the option to check those messages as well. Group chats are perfect for coordinating with your gaming squad or staying in touch with multiple friends at once. To access these group conversations, look through your chat list for any group names. You'll typically see these listed alongside your individual friend conversations in the Friends and Chat panel. Once you've located the group chat you want to check, double-click on the group name in your list. This will open up the group conversation, displaying all the messages from various members. You can now read through the entire chat history, catch up on what you might have missed, and see any new messages that have been posted while you were away. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily check both individual and group messages on Steam, keeping you connected with your gaming community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.